Today we made a quick little pit stop in one of our favorite locations here, Caleta Tanca. We're gonna shoot here for 30 minutes before we go to the abandoned hotel.
Gorgeous. Oh, I love that.
Good tips here from Nina actually. Before she starts shooting, she checked the model's hair, necklace, and the model also had a little bracelet with a completely different color than the outfit. So they asked her to remove it because you don't want to be stuck with this one little festival bracelet where you're trying to edit the photos and you have to edit it out in Photoshop.
We need an oil machine or something, Jonah, next time, like something to just like...
Yeah. Which model wants to be the oil applier?
Only do this if you're the boyfriend of the model, obviously. And even then, ask for permission, no.
Stop.
What the fuck is happening right now? This is a remote controlled dog. You can see I can just walk him to me, bam, there he goes.
We're making our way to the tennis court for the first shots of the day. That's why the girls are in these colorful bikinis. We might have to clean the tennis court real quick again a little bit. That's smart actually. I was just thinking we need a broom and this is awesome because it's a big broom. Oh my god, love it.
I don't do this at the house.
For the photo shoot. I think the plan is to try to put Alessia in his basketball ring here.
Wait, let me double check it. Okay, I got it.
Oh, run, Juan, take your camera. Looks cool actually.
She makes me nervous every day.
We didn't bring the fire, it's water this time.
All the girls to the net.
The girls have some fun props this time. Frisbee, pink ones, and some things to blow bubbles with. And even some water pistols. Desire is gonna be special effects, man. He's gonna create the bubbles in front of the girl. Gonna try to take a shot with Alessia throwing the frisbee towards the camera.
3, 2, 1.
I think the frisbee shot worked out.
I love it. This is Charlie, he's our guest photographer today.
How are you guys?
He wanted to try out my 35mm, which is good because now I can try out the 105 because I want to do a close-up shot of Alessia, the belly area with the guns sticking out there. And I think a very blurry background will fit that image. Go. Cowboy skills.
I'm gonna check out what the people are doing on a tennis court, but I actually see from a distance already Amy hanging. This is what I'm looking at, so let's go check that out.
Good job. Oh, love it.
This one is very nice.
Looks so cool with the purple in the background.
Exactly. No, I think this is the one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, of course. We're gonna go to the amphitheater now. It's one of the locations we didn't shoot at yet. I feel like we should use these little steps, or you can even use it like as a prop. Oh yeah, no, this looks very cool. I like the superhero poses.
It's really cool actually. This location is just completely deserted. We're the only ones here, so we have absolute freedom to play around and shoot whatever we want.
Oh yeah, no, these are killer shots.
Ooh,
I like the pose.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these.
Dario has a telephoto lens, so that's why he can be far away from the model. And they're gonna take a shot all the way from here, seeing the model up there in the tower. You can see it's pretty far.
Check out vagabondvacations.com. Catch us on one of the next events.